Hello, this is Tommy Stewart again, and I'm going to talk to you about Mugs Empire. I'm not talking about mugs like human mugs. I'm talking about creating mugs to suit various people, circumstances, stuff like that. This has been brought about by a chap called Alessandro Zambini, and it really is tremendous value, because here's a chap who's going to tell you how to create a business that will make you thousands of pounds, I'm sure, and what he's going to charge you for it is $17. This has to be the bargain of a lifetime. I'm a businessman. I've always been a businessman. And I've started lots of businesses in the past with no capital. Well, this is like starting a business with no capital. Personalised mugs, where to buy them, how to personalise them, how to advertise them, where to sell them, and $17. It can't be bad, can it? That is a really, really good value. Even my little mug on the screen here is winky. Like it's a real bargain. So get stuck in there and make yourself some money, because when you look at it and you give it a bit of thought, you realise you can't lose. It's absolutely impossible. If you buy this at $17 and you lose money, give up. Never, ever, ever try and start a business again. It's with great pleasure that I introduce this to you, because being a businessman, I can see the absolute total fantastic value that you are being given here. Moreover, in any case, if you look below here, below this picture of my lovely mug, you will see my domain, and if you click on it, you will be able to go from there then to buy this, but get this bargain for the $17. But moreover, I'll give you 5 free bonuses. As though this isn't enough for the money, I'll give you 5 bonuses, which are worth a lot more than the $17 bargain you're getting here. So below, click on it, Tommy Stewart, somewhere there, you'll see my name, and go and buy this fabulous bargain and get my 5 fantastic bonuses. And I will talk to you another time after you've made yourself a millionaire with this fabulous business here. Nice talking to you. Thanks.